Finally ready to make that dream home a bit dreamier?
You know it. Remodeling the kitchen has been on my to-do list for way too long.
You can get started right away with the new home improvement loan from Robbins Financial Credit Union. Whether you want to upgrade your roof, install new floors, or put in a pool, Robbins Financial can help kickstart your home improvement project.
Now I'm thinking maybe the kitchen can wait. A new pool sounds amazing.
Well, whichever project you decide on, this loan allows you to borrow up to $25,000 for home improvement projects without needing to borrow against your home.
That's perfect. I can update my home and hold on to the equity?
Yes, indeed. You could cover the cost of materials, pay for contractors, and even cover unexpected expenses that crop up along the way. And there are no closing costs.
Kitchen, pool, or poolside kitchen.
Now you're dreaming. Let Robbins Financial help make your dream home a reality. Apply online, by phone, or visit any of our branch locations.